Hi, I'm Kaylee from the I Can Make Shoes team, and I'm going to walk you through the design and making of our amazing Halloween-inspired collaboration project. So we knew that we wanted to do something super fun to really showcase the creativity of the Halloween season. So we decided to partner with Metallic Elephant. Now they do super cool machinery that allows you to emboss designs onto your leather or your fabric. And that's exactly what we did on these shoes with the bats. So they actually created the bat stamp for us, which then we embossed in silver onto the leather. So the first part of the design process was really trying to figure out how we want the shoes to even look, what colors we want to use, and how to just elevate the shoes to make them a little bit more stylish. Our original idea was to do cobwebs over the whole shoe, but we were like, that's been done so many times before. So we were thinking, how can we make this super unique? So we decided to go with the theme of bats, and we decided to showcase these bats just at the back of the shoe so that it represents the flurry of bats, which I think was a really great choice because from different angles, you just get glimpses of the bats. And I think it makes a really nice design detail. We also decided to go with this amazing green color for the lining. Now, stereotypically, when you think of Halloween, you think of orange and black together, but we were thinking, why not go with this green, which is so Wicked Witch of the West? And I think it was such a great choice. Again, they just turned out so amazing, and the colors really work well against each other. So once I had the general idea for the design, I started pulling all of these ideas together on a mood board so that we could really bring the design to life. Then it was the process of actually making the shoes. So I began by drawing and cutting all of the leathers, including the covering for the insock. Then when the stamp arrived, I chose a really great holographic silver foil, which I embossed all over the leathers. I then glued and covered both of the heel pieces. Then I stitched the uppers together, and then I lasted everything, making sure to include a toe puff and stiffener to hold the shape. Next, I trimmed the bottom, added the cork filler, and hammered on the soles. Then I drilled in the heels, added the sock for the final touch, and here are the final shoes. This project was super fun and super easy and took about 6 to 8 hours to complete over a couple of days. And they're really the perfect shoe to elevate any Halloween outfit that you want to wear, even if it's just a cute little black dress. So if you're now feeling super inspired to create your own Halloween shoes and you want to follow this exact style, grab yourself one of our I Can Make Shoes Pointy Last, one of our high heels, and our high shanked insoles. Pick your leathers, choose your design, and get crafting at home. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.